Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita. If this is the first video of mine you're watching, there is more below. Please subscribe so that you don't have to miss out on any of this goodness. So we have been making our lamb shanks and I have bulgur here, so we're going to be making it separately and I'll show you how you can elevate it from just basic to something delicious, which is packed with vegetables, with nutrients. This is the same goat's meat stock. I have bulgur number 2 and number 3. This one my friend got it for me from the USA. If you're going to ask me in Uganda where you can get bulgur, I don't know. Let us eat rice in peace. Okay? Yeah. So I have some sweet corn, I have a carrot, I have a courgette, half of it. I have a green onion, I have coriander, I have an onion, I have stock and the bulgur, and then that's it. So let's prepare it and then finally we'll plate everything together and enjoy. I'm going to start by heating up a pan and adding my stock. Someone is going to ask me, what is bulgur? Bulgur is a type of wheat grain that is literally pre-cooked and it's predominantly a Mediterranean dish. Google the most information beyond that. So we're going to be using number 2. It's slightly rough than the number 1 that we have. Just like rice, this one also grows as it cooks. Apparently it's a good replacement for rice if you're trying to watch your diet. It has more dietary fiber and yeah, so pour it in. Now my stock is homemade, so it has some little bit of salt. I'm the only person who makes meals in my house, so there won't be any accidents. That's why I'm not adding in any salt as of now. And we don't want to make a big batch, but if you want to for a bigger family, feel free. As a bulgur cooks, I'm going to be chopping the vegetables. The bulgur is ready, so we are just going to make our stir fry now. We need our pan and I'm opening a new jar of ghee. I've told you before guys, I sell this ghee. If you're abroad or if you're going abroad or love to cook and you want a healthier version of fat to cook with, I sell good ghee. Do reach out, especially on Instagram. A jar like this is 40,000, which is about $10, 10 or 15. Yeah. Look at this. It smells so good. It's clarified, so even people who are lactose intolerant, you can tolerate this one. I'm going to add some ghee. We're going to add in our onions. We don't want them to burn a lot. go in with all my vegetables, the carrots, the zucchini, the bell pepper that I had, which was yellow, and the corn. And then you want to toast these in the ghee or the butter or oil, whatever you will have used. Ground some fresh black pepper, some cumin. Use whatever vegetables you have really, but make sure to keep them at least the same size. We are going to get the bulgur. The ghee makes everything smell good, have a good aroma. I'll add in my herbs, which is the green onion and the coriander. Remember, the bulgur was cooked in seasoned stock, so we are not adding salt, but in case it wasn't on your end, please make sure to add some salt and check the seasoning. I know mine is good because the stock had enough salt. And that's it. We are done. Let's plate and enjoy.